Only you think I'm not able to speak English. I could not speak English. I couldn't learn English language. When I want to speak English, I couldn't speak English even a single sentence. So how I can become fluent in English? How I can learn English? Because recently I started learning this language. I am not able to understand what sentences, what thing, what rules, what tips and tricks I should follow. Then I could learn English language. If you think like this, so yes, come to our main topic. So yes, main topic is how you can learn English language easily. If you think I am beginner, so first of all, stop from today to say yourself that I am beginner. No, think yourself that I am fluent and I can become fluent in English. But for becoming fluent in English, first we'll have to pay our valuable time to learn those things, what things I want to learn. It could be English, it could be anything. Okay, I'm not telling only for English, it could be anything. Okay, so yes guys, that's the main thing how you can learn English language. If you are new in this field, if you are in your journey, learning journey, okay. So yes guys, my name is Sonia Singh and I'm from Uttar Pradesh, and recently I have done my graduation and now I am learning this language. And yes, I have learned a lot of things, and as well as I'm preparing for competitive exams. Okay, so yes guys, that's all about me. So come to our main topic, how you can learn to speak in English. Yes guys, you can learn, you can speak in front of anyone, and you can become fluent in English. And if you are thinking I am beginner, so first of all, don't think I am beginner. Okay, or think positive, don't think negative. Or for beginner, or you are new here in this journey, so first of all, what thing you have to do, let me tell you guys. If you started learning this language, so first of all, speak naturally. As you can speak, you speak. Okay, and don't feel shy, don't feel overthinking, don't feel that I am speaking, then while speaking I am fumble. No, not at all. Don't think like this. As you can speak, as you have to speak. Okay, or next thing, at least 5 to 10 vocab words you should learn each and every day, because when you gain more vocab words, then you can speak English very efficiently anywhere else. Okay, because our vocab is main role for our spoken English. But yes, first of all, the main thing is that you no need to take any pressure on your head. Okay, it's a language, so you can learn this language naturally. If you take any pressure on your head, then you could forget while speaking in English ki what sentences, what vocabs, what phrases, what rules I have to follow here. Okay, so don't think like this. Just whatever comes in your mind, you have to speak in English. Okay, or English is a language, so yes, as you can speak, as you have to speak. Don't think I have to improve our accent and I have to change my Indian accent to other accent. No, you can speak, I can also speak our Indian accent, that means nothing. But yes, if you can improve your accent, so yes, you can, definitely you can. But first of all, improve your Indian accent and normal accent, we can also say. Okay, so yes, English, that means if we have been learning English language, so first of all, yes, if we can converse with people in English normal, so in my opinion, there is no need to any improve our accent or the Indian accent to any other accent. No, just English is a language, so yes, English, this that's why we should learn English language, so that we can converse with different people, we can know their culture, and they can also know our cultures. And if we can learn English language, if we can converse with people in English, so learning English language, from learning English language we can get wonderful opportunities. Opportunities means that means job, to related jobs. Okay, because in this generation there are many jobs available only in English. If we can converse with English, only then we can get their jobs. Okay, so yeah, that's why English is necessary in this world, in this generation. That's why we should learn English language. Or accent, that means nothing. Okay, so yes guys, so this is not our main topic. Topic is how you can learn English language. Yes guys, so as you speak your mother tongue, as you have to speak English language. But if you think I will be able to speak English in only 2 days, 3 days, no, not at all. Gradually you can learn English language. Gradually you can become fluent in English. As you can speak your mother tongue, you learn gradually. From your childhood you learn your mother tongue. So how you can learn English language, how you can learn other language in only 2 days, 3 days, and in 1 month? No, it takes time, but it doesn't mean that you can't learn. You can learn, but what I said you pay your valuable time. So yes, pay your valuable time and learn. And don't think English is a subject, so I have to prepare, I have to learn grammar and tenses, grammar rules, this structure, those structure, then I will be able to learn to speak in English. No. If you learn basic grammar rules, tenses, all rules, if you learn, but if you don't speaking practice every single day, unless you can't converse with people in English. So yes, second thing, grammar is important for our spoken English, but speaking practice is most important than grammar rules. Okay, so as you can speak, as you improve, as you can improve your English fluency and English conversations. Okay, so as you can see, I can speak English, or whatever coming in my mind right now, I am speaking. Or I and I am not using any advanced word. No, I am using simple and short words, short sentences, simple sentences. So this way you can speak as well. Okay guys, first speaking practice each and every day. Or second thing, learn vocab words. At least you should learn 5 to 10 vocab words, and based on vocab words you have to make short and simple sentences, and you have to use in your daily routine, so that you can learn for a long time those sentences and those words. Okay. Or third thing is improve your um, basic grammar rules, basic structure. No need to learn deeply, just basic structure rules you can clear. Okay, so when you can clear your basic concept of grammar rules, so yes, there is no any chance that you can make mistakes. But yes, if you make mistakes, so what happen if you make mistakes? No, mistake is a part of learning. So when you make mistakes, so by doing mistake you can learn more things also. Okay, next thing, don't feel shy, don't feel fumble, like while speaking I am fumble. No, as you can speak, you have to speak. So don't feel fumble, don't feel overthinking, don't feel shy. or these all things exclude from your mind. Okay, or speak everywhere from, or speak from anyone. And if you speak in English from anyone, so maybe other person, your mistakes can improve, your mistakes improve. So this way you, there is a more chance that your English will be improved very energetic way. Okay, or be diligent in any work. Okay, don't feel laziness, lethargic, these all things. Okay, feel diligent, positive, energetic. Okay, so yes, then no one can stop you to be fluent in English. And if you are improve your any skills, so in your another skills, no one can stop you. Okay guys, for a beginner, just I would say at the end of the video that if you started learning this language, so please practice each and every day, learn vocab words each and every day, and speaking practice in front of mirror. And you can also practice in your mobile camera, you can record yourself, you can listen after recording, and clear your basic concepts of grammar rules. Or yes, these all things enough for your speaking English. Yes, that the thing I wanted to share with you in this video, that if you are a beginner, so what thing you have to follow. So yes, these all things you can follow, definitely your English will be improved. And be consistent, don't learn with the procrastination, learn consistently. Okay, definitely you get best result, good result. Okay, so yes, thanks for watching this video. Or if you are watching this video first time here, so please do subscribe the channel and like this video, share with your friends. And yes, if you have any suggestion for me, then you can suggest me by comment below this video. Definitely I'll try my level best. So yes guys, we'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, keep practicing and keep learning. Have a nice day. Bye. Radhe Radhe.